Well guys, as we are on to another video, and this is going to be on product cost. So guys, let me take you to the previous template that I showed you. As you can see, as I showed you earlier, if the product is listed on Alibaba for $2 and if you tend to order 300 units, then it will cost you $600. But you have to keep in mind that there comes your shipping fees also, guys. So usually shipping fees will be around, if your total cost of your order is $600, then it will be around $200 to ship your whole product, this order, to Amazon fulfillment center. So you have to keep in mind, at the end the product will cost you around $800 in total, and the per piece will cost you around $2.5 to $2.6 each piece. So guys, you have to keep in mind that the price that you are seeing on Alibaba that listed on the product is not only the price that you are going to get for your product, guys. So hope you got an idea on what your product will cost you, guys.